Hello student. In our previous lecture, I had given you introduction regarding the topics which you are going to study in that subject Organization of Commerce and Management. Right? Students, in today's lecture, we are going to start our study with the first topic of the OCM, that is Introduction of Commerce and Business. Right? Students, in this topic, you are going to learn about the concept of commerce, then about the business, then classification of the business, then auxiliaries to trade, and about the human activities. Okay students, so before starting the study of the concept commerce and business, let's understand some basic concepts which are related with the both the commerce and business. So let's start the study with the concept human activities. Students, we all are human beings and we all are engaged in different types of the activities in our day-to-day routine. That the activities are performed for the work, some activities are performed for the personal fulfillment in the form of joy, happiness and the satisfaction. Okay student, so the activities which are performed by human being are known as the human activities. Understood? The activities which are performed by human are known as the human activities. That may be any type of the activities, that is doing a job, then doing a study is also the activity, then work done by your mother in home is also the activity, then farmer cultivating his land is also the activity. So there are number of the activities, there are different type of the activities are performed by the human being. But behind every activity there is some consideration by every human being. What I said, that is consideration. That when a human being performing any type of the activity, he is expecting some consideration from that activity. Consideration means what? Return. That when any type of the activity is performed by human being, from that activity the human is expecting some return from that respective activity. That return may be in any form, that is return in the form of money, then and return which is also, and the return in the form of, as I said, satisfaction, then joy and happiness. So the human being expecting some consideration, that is return from the human activity. That may be money or that may be satisfaction, joy or the happiness. Understood? So the consideration is very important in every activity of the human being. For see, when your parents taking care of you, they are doing anything for you, that is definitely for due to their love and affection for you. They are not doing any activity, they are not doing anything for getting the return in the form of money. Correct? Or when we help someone, if we help any needy person, definitely there is also our consideration is not getting the money from that help. Understood? So the consideration, that is return, may be in any form. Understood student? So let's revise once again. That is, there are the activities are performed by the human being which are different from one another. So the activities which are performed by human being are known as the human activities. But behind every human activity there is some consideration by the respective human. Consideration means what? That is return from that activity. That human is expecting that he or she have to get some return from doing that respective activity. that return may be in the form of the money or may be in the form of satisfaction, joy or the happiness. आपण जेव्हा केव्हा एखादी कृती करतो, ऍक्टिव्हिटी मीन्स दी कृती, कार्य. आपण जेव्हा काही कार्य करतो, जेव्हा काही कृती करत असतो, तेव्हा आपली अपेक्षा काय असते की त्या कृतीमधून, त्या कार्यामधून आपल्याला काहीतरी मोबदला मिळावा. पण असं नाहीये की तो मोबदला म्हणजे नेहमी काय आहे, पैसा असावा. काही मोबदला आपण कशाच्या स्वरूपात असतो, तर आपल्याला आनंद मिळावा म्हणून असतो, आपल्याला काहीतरी सॅटिस्फॅक्शन मिळावं म्हणून असतो. सो दॅट म्हणजे काय असतं, तर कन्सिडरेशन. सो आपण ज्या काही ऍक्टिव्हिटी एक ह्युमन म्हणून करत असतो, एक माणूस म्हणून आपण ज्या काही आपल्या कार्य किंवा कृती दिवसभरात करत असतो, ते म्हणजे असतं तर ह्युमन ऍक्टिव्हिटी. अंडरस्टूड? So, as I said, human activities are performed for the consideration, but consideration is different. That is, consideration may be in the form of money and may be in the form of satisfaction, joy and the happiness. So, on the basis of this consideration, human activities are divided into two types. See, human activities are divided into two types. That is, on the basis of the consideration, on the basis of the return which the human being is received, on that basis, human activities are divided into two types. That is, first is non-economic activity and the second one is economic activity. Okay, on the basis of the consideration, हे क्लासिफिकेशन कशाच्या बेसिस वरती आहे, तर कन्सिडरेशन, रिटर्न. Okay, on the basis of the return of the activity, it is divided into two, that is non-economic and the economic activity. So first understand about the non-economic activity. So the activity which are performed by human being not for earning the money, activity which are performed by human being not for earning the money, but definitely consideration should be there. As I said, आपण जेव्हा केव्हा कोणतीही कृती करतो तेव्हा त्याच्या मागे काहीतरी मोबदला मिळावा अशी आपली अपेक्षा आहे. तेव्हा नॉन इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी मध्ये मोबदला काय अपेक्षित असतो की मला काहीतरी आनंद मिळावा, मला काहीतरी समाधान मिळावं. या बेसिसवरती जेव्हा काही ऍक्टिव्हिटी केल्या जातात त्याला म्हणायचं नॉन इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी. सो द ऍक्टिव्हिटी विच आर परफॉर्म बाय ह्युमन बीइंग फॉर गेटिंग joy, satisfaction, happiness, peace of mind are known as the non-economic activity. Here, no involvement of money or the money's worth. Understood, student? That is, the activities which are performed by human being for getting the joy, happiness, satisfaction are known as the non-economic activity. ज्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी करण्याने आपल्याला पैसा मिळत नाहीये, पण त्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी मधून मला आनंद मिळतोय, मला समाधान मिळत आहे, अशा ऍक्टिव्हिटी कुठल्या आहेत, तर नॉन इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी. नॉन, दॅट इज नो मनी इन्व्हॉल्वमेंट इज देअर. इथं काय आहे, पैसा इन्व्हॉल्व नाहीये. पण डेफिनेटली जसं मी म्हणलं, आपण एखादं कार्य करतो आहे, वेन आय एम गोइंग टू परफॉर्म एनी ऍक्टिव्हिटी, आय एम गेटिंग सम रिटर्न. मग हे रिटर्न म्हणजे काय आहे इथं मला, तर जॉय, हॅपीनेस किंवा सॅटिस्फॅक्शन. ओके, in this form you are getting the return from the non-economic activity, correct? So we can say it is the non-monetary transaction. Monetary means पैसा, जिथं पैसा इन्व्हॉल्व आहे तो काय आहे, मॉनिटरी असतो. जिथं पैसा इन्व्हॉल्व नाही, दॅट इज द नॉन मॉनिटरी ट्रान्झॅक्शन. डेफिनेटली ह्युमन बीइंग आर परफॉर्मिंग number of the non-economic activities in their day-to-day life. As I said earlier, when you are going to help someone, that is, if any person want your help, if any person expecting some help from you, definitely in that help you are not expecting the money that time when you are going to help any person. आपण जेव्हा एखाद्याला मदत करत असतो ती मदत करत असताना आपल्या डोक्यामध्ये डेफिनेटली असा विचार नसतो की मी एखाद्याला मदत करते आहे. इफ आय एम हेल्पिंग माय फ्रेंड, इफ आय हेल्पिंग माय नेबर, डेफिनेटली देर इज नो एनी मॉनिटरी इन्व्हॉल्वमेंट इन दॅट रिस्पेक्टिव्ह ऍक्टिव्हिटी. यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग सॅटिस्फॅक्शन फ्रॉम दॅट रिस्पेक्टिव्ह हेल्प. आपली अपेक्षा काय आहे की आपल्या मदतीनं त्या व्यक्तीचं काम हे पूर्ण व्हावं. So that is the non-economic activity. Also, you can take the example of your parents. As already I told you, that is when your parents are going to take care of you, when they are going to do anything for you. Definitely, that is also the non-economic activity because their consideration return is what? That is they are expecting affection and love. ते गोष्ट का करतात? बिकॉज दे हॅव लव्ड ऑन दे आर लव्हिंग यू. तुमचे पेरेंट्स तुमच्यावरती प्रेम करतात. देर इज अफेक्शन बिटवीन यू अँड युअर पेरेंट्स. डेफिनेटली फॉर दॅट दे आर गोइंग टू डू एनिथिंग फॉर यू. करेक्ट. सो दॅट इज दी नॉन इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी. अंडरस्टूड. सो नाउ अंडरस्टँड अबाउट दी इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी. Definitely which is different, which is opposite to the non-economic activity. Economic means definitely where money involved. The activity which is performed by the human for getting the consideration. Consideration means what? That is the return in the form of the money or the money's worth is known as the economic activity. The activity which is performed by human being for getting some money, for getting some money's worth is known as the economic activity. जेव्हा एखादी व्यक्ती एखादं काम पैसा मिळवण्यासाठी, पैसा कमवण्यासाठी करत असतो तेव्हा ती ऍक्टिव्हिटी कोणती आहे? तर इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी. दॅट इज डुईंग अ जॉब. जॉब जेव्हा केला जातो तेव्हा डेफिनेटली तो जॉब कशासाठी केला जातो? बिकॉज फॉर लाईव्हलीहूड, फॉर लिव्हिंग पर्पज वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग सम मनी. आपल्याला जगण्यासाठी पैसा लागतो. तो पैसा कमवण्यासाठी जेव्हा काम केलं जातं तेव्हा ती कुठली ऍक्टिव्हिटी झाली? तर इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी. वाय? बिकॉज ऍक्टिव्हिटी डेफिनेटली इज परफॉर्म बाय होम? दॅट इज दी ह्युमन. एक ह्युमन ऍक्टिव्हिटी करतो आहे काय? जॉब करतो आहे. बट डेफिनेटली तो जॉब करतो आहे म्हणजे तो त्याचा जॉब करतो आहे पण त्या जॉबच्या बदल्यात ही इज एक्सपेक्टिंग सम रिटर्न की आय विल डेफिनेटली गेट सम रिटर्न फ्रॉम दी ऑर्गनायझेशन. अँड द रिटर्न व्हॉट इज एक्सपेक्टेड बाय दॅट ह्युमन? दॅट इज दी मनी, सॅलरी और दी वेजेस. सो इट इज द इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी. नो एनी ह्युमन बीइंग इज गोइंग टू वर्क फॉर गेटिंग द जॉय and the happiness and the satisfaction. Definitely happy satisfaction should be there. काम करण्यानं समाधान मिळालं पाहिजे. पण डेफिनेटली त्या समाधानाबरोबर यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग सम मॉनिटरी रिटर्न ऑल्सो. मला काहीतरी पैशाच्या स्वरूपात सुद्धा मिळणं ही माझी अपेक्षा आहे. सो दॅट इज नोन ॲज दी मॉनिटरी ट्रान्झॅक्शन विच इज नोन ॲज दी इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी. राईट. So also I say given you example of the farmer. When the farmer is cultivating his land, definitely why he is cultivating his land? For selling some vegetable fruits into the market, because by selling that fruits and vegetables he is expecting to get some return for his livelihood and the living purpose. That is in the form of the money. जेव्हा एक शेतकरी आपलं शेत जेव्हा नांगरतो त्यातून जे काही त्याला फळं, जेव्हा जो काही भाजीपाला त्याला मिळणार आहे तो कशासाठी करतोय? का तर त्याला काय करायचं आहे? पैसा कमवायचा आहे. So when a farmer is cultivating his land and selling his respective vegetables, fruits in the market, definitely that activity performed by the farmer for getting some return, getting some consideration from it, but in the form of what? The money. Understood? So let's understand once again. That is the activity which is performed by human for getting the return, getting the consideration in the form of money or the money's worth is known as the economic activity. जेव्हा एखादी व्यक्ती एखादं काम करतो त्या कामातून मोबदला काय अपेक्षित करतो, पैसा, तेव्हा ती ऍक्टिव्हिटी झाली इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी. सो इट इज दी मॉनिटरी ट्रान्झॅक्शन. जिथं पैसा असतो ते कुठलं असतं, मॉनिटरी ट्रान्झॅक्शन. And the activity which is performed for the non-monetary transaction is known as the non-economic activity. Understood? So here difference is very simple. That is activity which is performed for getting the money. पैसा मिळवण्यासाठी किंवा पैशासाठी जे काम केलं जातं ती इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे. आणि जी ऍक्टिव्हिटी पैसा अपेक्षित न करता त्यातून काही आनंद मिळावा, काही समाधान मिळावं यासाठी केली जाते ती कुठली झाली तर नॉन इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी. ऑल्सो यू कॅन टेक एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द प्लेइंग एनी गेम. That is, if you are bored and you want to spend your time when you are going to play with your friends, definitely playing is also the activity. खेळणं ही सुद्धा काय आहे, एक कृती आहे, एक कार्य आहे जे परफॉर्म केलं जात आहे. But from that playing, you are expecting joy, you are expecting happiness, or you are expecting some peace of mind. मला माझा वेळ घालवायचा आहे म्हणून काय करतो आहोत, मला इन द सेन्स when any person, when any child is going to play with their friends, definitely he is expecting some joy, happiness, satisfaction from that activity. So it is the non-monetary activity, non-monetary transaction. So it is the non-economic activity. Also, that is, as I said, for spending my time, time when you are going to watch TV, when you are watching TV at home, definitely at the time of watching TV, you are not going to expect any monetary return from that. आपण अपेक्षित आहे का पैसा बघण्याने आपल्याला कोणी पैसा देतोय का, नाही. तर आपला वेळ जावा, आपल्याला सॅटिस्फॅक्शन व्हावं, काहीतरी आनंद मिळावा यासाठी आपण टीव्ही बघतोय. म्हणजेच ही सुद्धा काय आहे तर एक नॉन मॉनिटरी ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे, ट्रान्झॅक्शन आहे. म्हणजेच हे काय आहे तर एक नॉन इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे. एक अगदी रुटीन मधले एक्झाम्पल घ्या. दॅट इज वेन युअर मदर कुक्स फूड फॉर यू. जेव्हा आपली आई आपल्यासाठी जेवण बनवते, आपल्यासाठी काही बनवत आहे, डेफिनेटली आपल्या आईचा मागचा उद्देश काय आहे की काय का करते आहे, आपल्यावर प्रेम आहे, आपल्याबद्दल अफेक्शन आहे, आपल्याला काहीतरी चांगलं मिळावं यासाठी ती करते आहे. म्हणजे ही सुद्धा काय आहे तर एक नॉन इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे. बट वायसी वर्सा, बट अपोजिट टू दॅट, when any activity is performed by the human for getting some money. पण जेव्हा एखादी ऍक्टिव्हिटी त्यातून पैसा मिळावा किंवा पैशासाठी केली जाते आहे तेव्हा ती ऍक्टिव्हिटी काय आहे तर इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी. आता मग असंच उदाहरण घ्या, प्लेइंग. दॅट इज वेन एनी पर्सन इज प्लेइंग विथ देअर फ्रेंड्स, विथ हिज और हर फ्रेंड्स, definitely it is the non-economic activity. But when the activity, when the playing is for the purpose of any tournament or any matches for getting some trophy or for any some return, that is the economic activity. Also you can take the example of the doctor also. That is when a doctor is giving a treatment to his family, when the doctor is giving treatment to his relative, definitely he is not going to charge any money over there. So it is the non-economic activity. But when the doctor is giving the treatment for any outsider, to any outside patient, definitely he is doing that treatment for getting the money, that is for getting some monetary return from that treatment. That is the economic activity. Understood? लक्षात येत आहे? Okay, clear. That is there are the some human activities, that is activities which are performed by human are known as the human activities, and that activities are performed for getting some consideration that is the return, and that return, on the basis of that return, activities are get divided into two types, that is non-economic activity and the economic activity. So the activity which are performed for getting the consideration in the form of joy, happiness and the satisfaction are known as the non-economic activity, and the activity which is performed for getting the return in the form of the money is known as the economic activity. Clear? So on the basis of this economic, that is on the basis of this return in the form of the money, economic activities again classified into three types. इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटीचं पुन्हा काय झालं आहे तर क्लासिफिकेशन झालं आहे तीन टाइप्स मध्ये. दॅट इज बिझनेस, सेकंड इज द प्रोफेशन, and employment. Okay, economic activities are again classified into three, that is business, profession and the employment, right? So business म्हणजे काय आहे, डेफिनेटली सम फेसेस आर कमिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ युअर आईज. बिझनेस म्हणले की काही बिझनेसमॅनचे चेहरे तुमच्या समोर आले असतील. सो दॅट इज ऑल्सो द इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी. जेव्हा एखादा व्यवसाय केला जातो तो व्यवसाय म्हणजे काय आहे, डेफिनेटली नॉट फॉर द जॉय हॅपीनेस द एनी बिझनेस एनी business is going to be performed by any person. Okay, definitely satisfaction will be there when he is earning the money. जेव्हा एखादा व्यवसाय करण्याने त्यातून पैसा मिळेल तेव्हा डेफिनेटली समाधान मिळणार आहे, आनंद मिळणार आहे. पण त्यासाठी पैसा कमवणं महत्वाचं आहे, पैसा मिळणं हे खूप महत्वाचं आहे. सो इट इज दी इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी. सो business is what? Business is an economic activity where there is a two concepts are involved, that is production and the distribution. That is business means involvement of production and the distribution, that is production of goods and the services and making its distribution to the ultimate consumer into the market. For what? For getting the मनी. हा मनी बिझनेस मध्ये कशाच्या स्वरूपात तुम्हाला मिळणार आहे तर प्रॉफिट, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ दी प्रॉफिट. हा रिटर्न कन्सिडरेशन बिझनेस मध्ये कन्सिडरेशन मिळणार आहे, कन्सिडरेशन मिळणार आहे मनीच्या स्वरूपात. मनी कुठल्या स्वरूपात येणार आहे तर मला प्रॉफिटच्या स्वरूपात. सो इन अ बिझनेस consideration is there, consideration is in the form of the money, that is in the form of the profit, right? Then the second one is the profession, that is when any specialized person having some special skill and the knowledge and some qualified degree, when he is giving the services to any person, that is known as the profession. For example, doctor, lawyer, these are some expert person, these are some knowledgeable person who are having some authorized degree and then who are having some prescribed special knowledge and skill with them, and they are giving the services to the people in the society. So that is also the economic activity. Why it is the economic activity? Because when they are giving the services to the people, definitely that service, against that service, in return of that service, they are expecting some return. That return is in the form of the money. So ultimately it is the economic activity. Profession म्हणले की काय चार्ज केली जाते, फीज चार्ज केली जाते, राईट? जेव्हा आपल्याला बरं वाटत नाहीये, when you are going to give the visit to your doctor for getting some treatment, he is definitely giving the some treatment to you, he is giving some medicines to you, but in that return he is taking some money from you. ते काय करतात, तुमच्याकडून त्याच्या बदल्यात पैसा घेतात. कुठल्या स्वरूपात तर फीच्या स्वरूपात. सो इट इज द इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी. अंडरस्टूड why the profession is the economic activity? Because in this human activity, the respective human is expecting some return, expecting some consideration, but in which form? In the form of the fee. So it is the economic activity, right? There is a difference between the business and the profession. You said here is also the one person involved and he is also carrying his own business, but definitely there is some difference between these two, which we are going to study in further lecture. Okay, then next is the employment. Third economic activity is the employment, that is the job. That is when any person working under instruction, supervision of some other person is known as the employment. That is the job. जेव्हा एखादा जॉब केला जातो तेव्हा त्या जॉब मध्ये एक व्यक्ती दुसऱ्या व्यक्तीच्या सुपरविजन मध्ये इन्स्ट्रक्शनच्या अंडर काय करत असते, काम करत असते. वाय ही इज डुईंग दॅट? बिकॉज ही इज डुईंग दॅट फॉर द गेटिंग सम रिटर्न, दॅट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मनी, बट इन विच फॉर्म? दॅट इज सॅलरी और वेजेस. या दोन स्वरूपामध्ये काय केलं जातं, इथं रिटर्न एक्सपेक्ट केलं जाते. दॅट इज वेन वन पर्सन वर्किंग अंडर द इन्स्ट्रक्शन, वर्किंग अंडर द सुपरविजन ऑफ अदर पर्सन फॉर गेटिंग सम रिटर्न इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द सॅलरी अँड द वेजेस इज नोन ॲज द एम्प्लॉयमेंट. जेव्हा एखादी व्यक्ती कुठेतरी काम करते आहे, डेफिनेटली ही इज डुईंग दॅट ऍक्टिव्हिटी फॉर गेटिंग सम कन्सिडरेशन. ते कन्सिडरेशन कशाच्या स्वरूपात असणार आहे तर सॅलरी किंवा वेजेसच्या स्वरूपात आहे. हे सुद्धा काय आहे, व्हॉट इज मीन बाय सॅलरी, व्हेन यू आर गेटिंग द वेजेस, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन डिटेल इन द पार्ट ऑफ द एम्प्लॉयमेंट. Regarding all these three economic activities in detail we are going to study in our next lecture. Ki what is mean by the business, profession and the employment, what are their features and how they are going to be performed, all we are going to study in detail. Okay, so here clear, that is what is the human activity, then what is the classification of the human activity, then what is the non-economic activity, economic activity, then what is the classification of the economic activity. Clear? So next is the business and the features of the business. Okay, clear?